whispers play. The sky bends low to kiss the day. The earth hums soft beneath my feet. Every step feels like a song. I've been here all along. Oh, let me breathe, let me fly. Feel the wind touch the sky. Calm freedom calls a quiet fire. Wings of soft desire. Your voice, it lingers in the breeze. A thread of gold between the trees. It pulls me close. It sets me free. Oh, let me breathe, let me fly. Feel the wind touch the sky. Calm freedom calls a quiet fire. Wings of soft desire. No rush, no change, just open air. No map, no plan, I'll meet you there. We'll trace the stars, forget the time. Your hand in mine. Your hand in mine. The morning light is soft and clear, but I still wish that you were here. The world is moving, yet I stand still, holding on to what was real. Your voice is faint but always near, a memory that I still hold dear. Even though we're miles apart, you still live inside my heart. In every breath I feel your touch, even if I can't see that much. Still here, even though you're gone, I carry the love we once called home. Still here, waiting for the day when distance won't stand in our way. The echoes of you in my soul, I'll keep you close, I'll keep you whole. Still here, my heart will stay, even if you're far away. The days feel long, but I hold tight to the moments when we felt right. I see you in the things I do. In every dream I'm there with you. The clock keeps ticking, but time stands still. And I wait for the moment, I always will. No matter where life leads me now, you're always with me somehow. In every breath I feel your touch, even if I can't see that much. Still here, even though you're gone, I carry the love we once called home. Still here, waiting for the day when distance won't stand in our way. The echoes of you in my soul, I'll keep you close, I'll keep you whole. Still here, my heart will stay, even if you're far away. The silence calls time until you're here again. I'll find still here, even though you're gone. I carry the love we once called home. Still here, waiting for the day when distance won't stand in our way. The echoes of you in my soul. I'll keep you close, I'll keep you whole. Still here, my heart will stay, even if you're far away. Still here. Still here. Footprints fade in the sands of time. The wind erases every line, but I keep walking, step by step. The stars don't shout, they softly hum. Trust the road, the best is yet to come. Wander onward, what if the road is rough and steep? Or onward, trust your path.